Snowflakes. We're gonna try and take the truck down into the woods. Hopefully the path is thick enough. Scratching my truck. There's some trees that are cut close here that I don't want to hit. Oh, I think I'm hitting them. It's been dry enough that I should be able to make it back up out of here. When it rains, though, this area gets wet. Yeah. There's some water down here. Below here, so. Yeah. America. America. All right, snowflakes. We're gonna head back to the top of Camp Kaz. Try not to tear up my lawn. Best tires on this thing, but it is four-wheel drive. This is the sketchy part right here. Try not to tear up the driveway, and it does it. All right, good to know. America.